In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PowerPoint to Word. This approach uses PowerPoint's Create Handouts feature, which is perfect when you want a neatly formatted Word document that includes your slide images and, if you choose, your speaker notes. It's especially useful for sharing training materials, study guides, or meeting packets that are easy to print and annotate. Start by opening the PowerPoint presentation you want to convert. Make sure it's the version you are ready to share, because the content that appears in Word will reflect what's currently on your slides and in your notes. Once your deck is open, go to the File tab to open the Backstage view, and then select Export. Don't worry about Save as here Export is the section that contains the feature we need. In the Export menu, choose Create Handouts. You'll see an option labeled Create Handouts again. Click that to launch the Handouts setup. This tells PowerPoint to package your slides for Word rather than just saving them as a different file type. Next, you will be prompted to choose a layout. This choice controls how your slides and notes will appear in Word. If you want your slide images at the top with the presenter notes directly beneath each slide, pick Notes below slides. This is great for readers who need context, talking points, or reminders attached to each visual. If you only need the text content of your slides, maybe for a quick reference or an outline to edit, select Outline Only. That layout strips out the images and focuses on headings and bullet points, which can make the document lighter and easier to revise. Take a moment to think about how your audience will use the document. Then select the layout that fits best. After you've chosen the layout, click OK. PowerPoint will hand things off to Word and automatically build a new Word document for you. Depending on the size of your presentation, this can take a moment. When Word opens, you will see your content arranged according to the layout you selected. Slides appear as images when you choose a slide-based layout, and your speaker notes will be placed right beneath them. If you pick the outline, you'll see a clean, text-only structure. At this stage, you can review the content, adjust spacing, add headings, or apply your organization's word styles for consistency. Just remember that slide images are static in Word. If you need to change slide content, return to PowerPoint. Make your updates and repeat the export. And that's it. Thanks for watching.